So as you can see here, if I apply Undervolt, it's not working. It's not showing in ThrottleStop. The CPU cache and the CPU core, nothing is working. So stick around while I show you how you can fix this issue real quick. So what you're going to do is to go into your BIOS. You're going to different depending on the system you have. So just Google how to go into your BIOS on your PC. So when you're in the BIOS, you have to go to advanced, look for something called Intel VTX. That's what we are going to be looking for. That's what we are going to disable. Click on that and disable Intel VTX. This is actually a short form of virtualization. So after disabling that, you're going to save the changes. You need to reboot your PC twice. After shutting it down, reboot it once again and everything should be fixed. So I'm going to show you that it works. Okay, once the system is finished rebooting, we are going to go back to ThrottleStop and see if we have an Undervolt, if you can apply Undervolt on the CPU. To double check, to actually confirm if VTX has been disabled, go to your task manager, go to where you save your ThrottleStop, make sure you delete the ThrottleStop.nim folder. That's where the config is being set. So we're going to start afresh. Make sure you delete your previous config. Now go to ThrottleStop. As you can see here, we are now back. You can now undervolt your CPU. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your control panel. In your control panel, you're going to click on hardware and sound. You go to power options. Now what you are going to do is to create a power plan. Create a power plan based on balanced. So the power plan will be based on balanced mode, which is recommended. Now you can rename it anything you want. I'm just going to go with Undervolt. Hit on next. You can click on create. Now what you have to do is to click on change plan settings. Go to advanced power plan settings. Now what I have to do now is to scroll down and expand the processor power management. Expand the maximum processor state. Go to plugged in section. So what I'm going to do here is to decrease the numbers. It is 100 by default.
Crypto platforms are reshaping the world of digital finance, and Wix is leading the charge with its game-changing features and growing momentum. Wix isn't just another platform. It offers real benefits to users: trading fee discounts, powerful staking rewards, exclusive early airdrops, and a unique buyback and burn model that increases value for users. With a solid global expansion strategy and celebrity endorsements from icons like Michael Owen, Wix is capturing attention and building serious credibility on the global stage. Since its launch, Wix has already seen impressive results, attracting thousands of investors and sparking industry buzz. The platform's growth potential is huge, and this is only the beginning. Want to be part of the future of crypto trading? Discover Wix today and experience a smarter way to trade in a booming ecosystem. Wix has seen incredible growth. including a 101% surge in trading volume within just 24 hours. Enjoy trading fee discounts, staking opportunities, and access to exclusive early rewards, celebrity partnerships, zero-fee promos, and exciting we-launch events, long-term potential, global reach, ongoing ecosystem expansion, and a focus on scarcity ensure future value for users. Click the link in the description for more information. Thanks to Wix Exchange for sponsoring this video.
You go to this button here, FIVR, click on it. So as you can see here, we don't have any undervolt applied. So what we're going to do is, for example, my CPU have 6 cores. The first one is clocked at 4.5 gigahertz, second core is 4.4 gigahertz, third core is 4.3, the fourth core is 4.2, fifth 4.1, and the sixth core is 4.0. So what we are going to do now is to cap some, reduce the core clocks. So you're going to leave the first one at 4.5. Your numbers might be different CPU have different clock speed. If you have maybe 5.0 gigahertz, you turn it down to 4.0. If you have 3.5 gigahertz, you turn it down to 3.0. This is much better than turning off turbo boost, because this is not going to impact your FPS much. So now I have 4.5 gigahertz for the first core, because first core is very, very important. The other cores 3.5 gigahertz. This is what I do, and this helps very well to reduce your temperature. When you're done with it, you click on apply and OK. So make sure ThrottleStop is running in the background for it to work. I have a video on how to make ThrottleStop boot with Windows. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.